So remember when you do a go around, you full power, build up airspeed, work your flaps up 1 notch for immediately.
Yep.
Build up airspeed. As soon as you get your airspeed, then climb out like we normally do. When we get a positive
Millville traffic, Cessna 2834 Quebec is 11 miles to the west of the field, southeastbound. We're maneuvering for a practice instrument approach to RNAV runway 32. We'll break off the 32 final and join the left downwind for runway 28, Millville.
I'd add a little power in there.
Millville traffic 126 Bravo Sierra, base 28 Millville.
Millville traffic, Cessna 140, turning final, runway 28, Millville.
Which is Bert. All right, let's do a go around.
Go around,
Full
full power.
Pitch it up a little bit. There we go.
1 notch.
Good. Build up some airspeed. Positive rate of climb. Bring it up another notch.
Spiral for 29.
Pitch it up.
Pitch it up, yeah, sorry.
And above all the obstacles, flaps all the way up.
Field at 2,000 feet for teardrop entry center left. Downwind runway 28, Millville.
Millville traffic 128 Bravo Sierra, Millville.